Hello, fourth grade. Today we are going to start with a little body percussion warm-up. Alright, so taking a look at the screen here, we have two different symbols. The first one is the hand, which means we're going to be clapping whenever we see the hand symbol. Then the next one is the little feet, which means we're going to be stomping. Alright, so I'm going to go through this. It is about a 1-minute video that shows different rhythm patterns and body percussion. Alright, so I'm just going to go through. We're going to practice them slowly together, and then you can go ahead and do the whole entire warm-up on your own. Alright, so you can see the first rhythm pattern, that on the top we have some of our musical notes and rhythms. Then underneath, it's going to tell us what body percussion to do. Alright, so for example, for this first one, we have rest, 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 clap. Rest, 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 clap. Alright, so let's do this one together. Ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. Alright, so they start off pretty easy, and then they slowly get harder and harder. Alright, here is our next rhythm. For this one, we have rest, clap, rest, clap. Let's do this one together. Ready, go. Okay, let's keep going to our next rhythm. Now we have 4 tas in a row, or 4 claps. Let's just do this one together. Ready, go. Clap, 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 clap. Ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, then next up, now we're starting to add some stomps in here. So our rhythm is still ta, 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 ta. But this time we're going to clap, stomp, clap, stomp. So let's do this one together. Ready, go. Clap, stomp, clap, stomp. Alright, let's keep going. Check out our next rhythm. Alright, now we're starting to add a ti-ti in here. Alright, so this rhythm is ta, ta, ti-ti, ta. Or clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp. So let's do this one together. Ready, go. Clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp. Ta, ta, ti-ti, ta. Alright, let's keep going to our next rhythm. Now we're adding yet another ti-ti in here. So this time we have ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. Or clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp. So let's do this one together. Ready, go. Clap, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp. Ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. Alright, next rhythm, they switch it up on us a little bit. This time we start with ta and a clap. So for this one we have clap, stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp. Or ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. So let's do this one together. Ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. Okay. And then our last rhythm here is just a bunch of ti-tis in a row. Alright, so this one we have ti, 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 ti. Or clap, clap, stomp, stomp. So let's do this one together. Ready, go. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the beginning of this video. And let's just listen to a little bit of it. Listen for the beat. So once you hear the music, you're going to be performing the body percussion rhythms along with the music. Alright, then it just continues from there, and this video will be in the next slide in Quaver, so you can do it by yourself. Alright, so after all those rhythms go through, then we have a little dance break. Alright, you can freestyle a little bit here, and then once you see these these green and red circles, that's when you stop the video. So we're only watching about 1 minute and 30 seconds into it. Alright, let's move on to the next activity. Alright, now we're going to take a look at these meters of 4 little activity here. And if you remember, if you were at Fred last year for 3rd grade, we did these together. So let's do a little review of these rhythms on the side. What kind of note, or what do we say when we see the first note? What do we say for the middle note? And then what do we say for the last note? Okay, so our first one, we have a ta. Second one is ti. And third one is a rest. Alright, so you see I created my own 4-beat rhythm here. Alright, so take a look at it. And now we're going to say it together. So no clapping, no body percussion or anything. Let's just say the tas and TTs for number 1. Alright, let's do it together. Ready, go. Ta, TT, ta. Alright, let's do it again. Ready, go. Ta, TT, ta. Okay, and now this meters of 4 page will also be in your Quaver lesson, and I want you to go ahead and create your own rhythms and click and drag them over, create your own 4-beat rhythms. Then after you create your own rhythms here on this slide, go ahead and play the tracks. And then you can practice saying your rhythms to the steady beat of the track. So for example, number 1 would be ta, ti, ti, ta. Number 2, ta, ti, 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 ta. Alright, so we have track 1, then track 2 is a little bit faster. Alright, so you can create your own rhythms here and practice them with the tracks. Alright, now let's keep going. We're going to do a little review of what we did in our lesson last week with these body percussion rhythms here. Alright, so now let's take a look at this rhythm here. Remember, when we're looking at this, we're reading just like we're reading words. So we're going from the left side to the right side. Okay, and remember, bottom line is tapping on your legs, and top line is clapping. So take a second, try to figure this one out on your own. And now let's do it together. Ready, go. Tap, clap, tap, clap. Ta, 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 ta. Alright, first one is easy, just a little warm-up. Alright, let's take a look at the next one. Take a second, try it on your own first. If you need to pause the video, go ahead. And now let's do it together. Ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Tap, clap, clap, tap, clap. Tap, clap, clap, tap. One more time. Alright, let's keep on going. Take a look at this one. Try it by yourself first and pause the video. Alright, now let's try it together, starting tapping. Ready, go. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Alright, awesome. And I think this is the last one, so go ahead, take a look at it, and pause the video. And now let's do it together. Ready, go. Tap, tap, clap, tap, 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 clap, tap, tap. One more time. All right, awesome. All right, so now at the end of your Quaver lesson, you're going to see that I have 3 songs up on here. I have Uptown Funk, I have Dance Monkey, and then Can't Stop the Feeling. All right, so for these, just like our little warm-up, it is going to be a body percussion activity that you perform along with the music. All right, so let's look at the first one, Uptown Funk, and I'm going to just go through them slowly, and then you can do the whole thing on your own. All right, so I'm just going to go through the different symbols for this one. So the first one, that's going to be a stomp. This one is going to be a clap. Then a snap. This one is going to be tap on your leg. This one is going to be tap here. And just make sure you do all of these gently, not too hard. And the last one is going to be a rest, and we're just going to do regular rests like we do in music class. Alright, so you can go ahead and do this one on your own. Let me play it for a second. Alright, so when it starts, you'll see that right up here, there is a person doing the movements along with you, so you can watch her if you need any help, or watch the symbols. Alright, let's go ahead to the next one. Dance Monkey is a challenge. Alright, so this one's going to be pretty tricky. If you need any help, watch these 2 people on the side. They're going to do the patterns. Or if you need to, you can pause the video and slowly do them. But this one's pretty tricky. And then the last one, Can't Stop the Feeling. This one's a little tricky too. It's more of a challenge song if you're up for the challenge. Alright, and then after you go through those, at the end of your lesson, I'm going to have a little 4 or 5 question little assignment that you have to submit when you finish with this lesson. Alright, so that is all.